How to customize contact page in Shopify. First, log into Shopify admin panel, and then on the left side click on online store. Now go to the customize. Now on the top select your page, search for contact, and then select the contact page, and this is your contact page. Basically you can't change anything from here, so you can add other thing like a section or image or other thing. So let's say I'm going to add an image. Click on the plus icon, add a section, and then image banner. After that you can customize it from here, image banner, and then this text and button. After that go to the top right, click on save, and there you go. Thanks for watching.